So I just bought this 1984 Mercedes-Benz Turbo Diesel, and I've been wanting one for a long time, since I was a little kid. So that's it in a nutshell. I've got to get the ownership transferred and all that, and get insured and everything. I'm going to put it into use right away. Might even get a custom license plate, I don't know, we'll see. But, yeah. Interior is really good. I'm dying to see what's up in here. Ooh, what? Oh, it's got the first aid kit. Oh. Okay. Wow. Usually the interiors are all jacked up. So I'm really happy. Oh, I gotta get that VIN number and get all that done. Yeah, wow. So anyway, that's a good sound. I gotta get insurance done. I gotta get the parking pass done, the title done, all that. So anyway, today's November 23rd, 2020. Wow. Scratch that one off the bucket list. And thanks Justin, the seller, he brought it down. Fantastic guy.